Hello students, we are doing chapter number 16 mensuration exercise 16.1. In today's video we will start from question number 12. Find the area of an isosceles triangle whose base is 6 cm and perimeter is 16 cm. So isosceles triangle means a triangle which is having two sides are equal. So these two sides if I take equal, third will be the base which is given 6 cm. So let two equal sides are A. Both will be same. Let two equal sides are A and A. Then perimeter will be the sum of all three sides. Perimeter is given 16 centimeter, means A plus 6 is equal to 16, or 2A is equal to 16 minus 6. Shift it another side. 2A is equal to 10 and A is equal to 5 centimeter. It means these two equal sides are 5 centimeter. Now either we can use here Heron's formula or we can find out the height. If we draw one perpendicular from here, it will divide this base into two equal half. So in this triangle, any one triangle we can take half triangle. In triangle ABD, we will use Pythagoras theorem here because it will touch at 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. AB we have calculated 5, BD will be 3, half of 6, and AD we can find out. 25 equal to 9 plus AD square. So we will get here AD square is equal to 25 minus 9 equal to 16 centimeter. So AD will be root of 16 or 4 centimeter. So we got height also. Then area of triangle ABC will be half base into height. Base is 6 and height is 4. You can cancel out. So 6 into 2, 12 centimeter square. Next we have question number 13. The sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angle are 5x and 3x minus 1 centimeter. Calculate the length of hypotenuse if the triangle area is 60 centimeter square. So we have a right angle triangle. These two sides which is containing right angle are 5x and 3x minus 1. And area is given 60 centimeter square. So we can start from area. As we know, area is given 60 centimeter and area formula is half base into height. Base is given 3x minus 1 and height is given 5x, which is equal to 60. So this 2 and this 5 we can shift another side. 3x minus 1 into x is equal to 60 into 2 divided by 5. 5 will come for division, 2 will go for multiplication. 12 times it will cancel out. Multiply these two. 3x square minus x is equal to 24. 3x square minus x minus 24 equal to 0. Now we have to do the trinomial factorization for this. 3 into 24 will be 72. Do the factor of 72 such that after subtraction minus 1 should come. So factors will be 9 and 8, minus 9x plus 8x minus 24. From these two we can take 3x as common. So x minus 3 will be in the bracket. From last two 8 we can take out common. So x minus 3 will be in the bracket. So x minus 3 we can take out common. Another bracket will be 3x plus 8. So x values we are getting here either 3 or minus 8 by 3. So length can't be in negative. So this value is not applicable. Only x is equal to 3 we will consider. So when x is equal to 3, in that case 5x will be 5 into 3, 15 centimeter, and another side 3x minus 1 will be 3 into 3 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8 centimeter. So two sides we got. Now we have to calculate hypotenuse. So to find out hypotenuse, we will use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Base we have calculated 8 and height 15. 64 plus 225, which is equal to 289. So hypotenuse will be root of 289, which is equal to 17 centimeter. Next question we have 14th. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to 2x plus 1. BC is equal to x plus 1. If the area of the triangle is 60 centimeter, find out its perimeter. So this is similar to 13th question only. Two sides are given, which is containing 90 degree. One is 2x plus 1, another one is x plus 1. And area is also given. So we will start from area. Area is given 60 centimeter square, and we know area is equal to half base into height. So from these two sides, one we can take as base, another one as height. So x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 equal to 60. This 2 we can shift another side, and these two brackets we can multiply. 2x square plus x plus 2x plus 1 equal to 120. 2 will go and multiply with 60. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1 and minus 120. Minus 119. After multiplying these two, we will get here 238, and we have to do factors such that after subtraction 3 should come. So factors will be 17 and 14. 17 minus 14x. From first two we can take x as common, so 2x plus 17. From the last two we can take 7 as common, so 2x plus 17. So two brackets are 2x plus 17 and x minus 7. So x value we are getting here either 7 or minus 17 by 2. This second value is not applicable. Now we got x value, we can find out the side. Therefore, first side AB will be 2x plus 1. 2 into 7 plus 1 means 15 centimeter. Another side BC is equal to x plus 1. 7 plus 1 means 8 centimeter. Now we can find out hypotenuse, third side. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse is AC here, base is 8 and height is 15. Same calculation like last question. 64 plus 225. AC is equal to root of 289. So AC we got 17 centimeter. Now in this question we have to find out perimeter also. So therefore perimeter of triangle ABC will be the sum of all three sides, AB plus BC plus CA. AB we have calculated 15, BC 8 and CA 17. So after adding all we are getting 40 centimeter. Next question number 15. If the perimeter of a right angle triangle is 60 centimeter and hypotenuse is 25 centimeter, find its area. So perimeter is given and hypotenuse is given. So hypotenuse I have taken as 25. If one side I will take as x, then another side will be 60 minus 25 minus x means 35 minus x. Let AB is equal to x, then BC will be from perimeter, rest two sides we have to subtract. So 60 minus 25 minus x, 35 minus x we are getting. Now we will use here Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse is 25, base is 35 minus x and height is x. 25 square is 625. Remove this bracket with the help of a minus b whole square. 35 square plus x square minus 2ab means 70x plus x square. 35 square will be 1225. X square plus x square will become 2x square minus 70x. Now shift everything one side. So we are getting 2x square minus 70x plus 600 equal to 0. Now 2 also you can take out common, and x square minus 35x plus 300 equal to 0. 2 we will shift another side and it will eliminate. Now 300 factor we have to do such that after addition 35 should come. So 15 and 20 will be the factor. X square minus 20x minus 15x plus 300 equal to 0. So x you can take out common, x minus 20. Here minus 15 we can take out common, x minus 20. So we have x minus 20 and x minus 15, two brackets. So x value we are getting here either 20 or 15. When x is 20, in that case height will be 20, height or AB, this will be 20, and another side BC will be 35 minus 20, 15. And when x we will take as 15, in that case AB is 15 and BC will be 20. So we are getting one side is 15, another side is 20. Now we have to find out its area. So area formula we can use, area is equal to half base into height. Half, any one you can take because both are 15 and 20. 15 into 20, and after cancellation 150 centimeter square we are getting. Next question number 16. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 40 centimeter. The base is 2/3 of the sum of equal sides. Find the length of each side. So let the equal side is A and A, two side, and the third side they have given, that is 2/3 of sum of equal sides means A plus A. So 2/3 of 2A, or we will get 4A by 3. Now perimeter is given 40. Perimeter means sum of all three sides means A plus 4A by 3, which is equal to 40. We will take here LCM, we will get 3A plus 3A plus 4A by 3 equal to 40. So 10A by 3 equal to 40. So A is equal to 40 into 3 by 10 means 12 centimeter. So all the three sides we have to write here. Therefore sides will be, first side is 12, then second one is 12, and third one is 4A by 3. 4 into 12 by 3 means 16 centimeter. So in this video we are doing till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.